Okay, my Capricorn zodiac sign people, since I've done a short reading now, this reading is going to be a messages from the partners who are in no contact zone. Okay, if they are not in touch with you, let's see energetically what message they're sending you. Maybe you people are going through a breakup. Okay, but still, what message does your partner want to give you? Many options, unconventional, one night stand, and string along. So, they don't have a very good intention towards you because they just want like a one night stand kind of thing. So, they are hooking up with people. So, be very careful. Whoever's ex energy of Capricorn I'm getting here. Okay, so meeting and talking, saving the moments, feeling elevated, building freshness. So, moreover, they have intentions to come back to you, but be very careful not to blindly just follow them and accept them in your life. Before going for a cup of tea or for a cup of coffee date, be very careful to understand what his intentions are. Okay, so definitely your exes are going to come back, but some kind of triggering message is coming here. The relationship is over, no second chances, grow and transparent. What's dead is dead. So, I think for you, you have already ended this relationship, but they somehow, they have a kind of a revenge kind of thing, so that they want to come back and, do a one night stand and leave you and go forever. So, be very, very careful, Capricorn. Before you take back your exes, be very careful not to take some hasty decisions. Self-worth and value, time to heal, shadow work, and self-appreciation. So that is what say the self-worth and value. This person is having a lot of self-worth issue. Okay, from the time they have been into this breakup phase, they're having a lot of self-worth issue. Time to they have tried to heal themselves, and they are doing a lot of shadow work, but it is not helping them because no matter how much they want to heal them, if they're not pure with their soul, if they have not understood this connection, I think no way you can accept them back. So definitely, Capricorn, I think it's a big no if your ex comes back to you.